Hey my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm at the Vogel Valley Miniature Farm Display. Look at this. This is really
There's
cool.
a bunch of moo-moos.
You got the Ferris wheel, merry-go-round, church.
Yeah, this must be out.
Oops, sorry.
Yup.
This is really neat.
Catch your glass.
Herman Farms. Wow. Got no people on the motorcycles.
What is this?
This is really cool.
Like a whole other world. Like, Dad, what is this?
All the equipment for the farm. You know what it is. Pigs, his own livestock, see them all?
Wow.
Hey, welding right there. That's cool.
Whoa!
Oh, that's neat.
So freaking cool. Oh, wow. Amazing.
That's cool.
I want to see that.
These like little towns and...
Wait. Oh my God.
Oh, that is really neat.
Wait, I didn't see that.
Let's check this again. Yeah, for the video now, I gotta check to see.
All the farm equipment. Silos.
Dad, this whole thing is for sale.
This is really cool.
Okay, I'll take this one.
I'm gonna check it just with my naked eye stuff, just making a video. So I hope you like this video, the Vogel Valley Miniature Farm Display. So until next time, bye please. Take care, my Legion.
You did a nice job on
Thank you.
Look at that. Yeah, it's cool.
I just want to hear.
Like the little...
Guy welding.
Oh, that's so real.
Guys, it's like a miniature little world.
Till you come
Yeah, I went through a second time just to see with my own eyes instead of just making a video. The guy who owns it said that he's making this just to show people what goes on in the farm because some people don't know where the heck their food comes from, and this is the way to show everybody what's all entailed in it. It's really neat. I love it. There's little teeny tiny people in there too. Yeah, it is. I like it a lot. So focus. That's all right. He's so cool.